Hi guys, just a quick one. Sometimes you guys on the CX or people wanting to join the CX, can you get advanced bookings? Yes, you can get advanced bookings. Basically, once you've got the app, you basically just look in front. You can look. You can set the settings up to like tomorrow. Have a look at what's going on tomorrow. You can even look 10 days in advance. There's not that many jobs 10 days in advance, but definitely like maybe second day, third day, you can start checking out jobs. You can quote on the jobs. Sometimes I find it's best to phone them. Sometimes people just want to get the bookings out of the way. Sometimes, obviously, they're just going to say to you, "Oh, thanks for the call. If you're the cheapest bid, we'll call you back." Sometimes that's wasting your time. Just carry on bidding, and guys, don't waste your time. If somebody says, "I will give you a call back," there's too much of that going on. Just bid on everything. Bid on everything, and you're not going to go wrong in this game. If you don't mind tramping like I do, I tramp all the time. It's the best way to make money in on the Courier exchange. And there are other similar apps to the Courier exchange. Do it however you feel it's working best for you. Somebody mentioned very colourful, and he was very happy with one of my posts because because I'm sick and tired of eating sandwiches and eating absolute rubbish on this when I'm going out and about and tramping. So I've got myself a stove. And then I advertised it in one of my videos last week, and somebody mentions, "You twat," because now he's cooking in his van. When he's finished work, and this is good. He's actually enjoying his food. He's enjoying his life. He's got something to look forward to. Get yourself a cooler, guys. Get yourself a cooler. It's not a big deal. You can get eggs, bacon. All that favourite stuff that you like to eat where when you're out and about at home. Start making whatever you want. Make your own barbecues. I don't care. Make your life as good as possible. I hope to. I've met a few decent guys already on the CX. Listen, I'm trying to make his life as easy as possible. Trust me, I would love to make life as easy as possible for myself. And just cooking bacon and eggs and steaks on the go. It's just heaven. And then having a beer. I mean, I was doing a job last week. We got stuck on a job. It took a little bit longer than normal. And then we both went to Tesco and got some Desperados. And we chilled out for a little bit. And we actually, honestly, guys, The Courier game seems to be very individual, but we can, if we work together, it works better. I'm enjoying making this channel, and I'm glad you guys are actually enjoying the channel. I'm getting a lot of feedback, which is good. I'm sharing my experiences. Other people are sharing their experiences with me. And I'm hoping this will continue and continue to grow. And I will learn from you. You will learn from me. And peace out, guys. Enjoy. Catch you later.